Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change playback speed on Netflix app. To do this, you have just to go to the Netflix app, open it, and after that, go and click play on whatever movie or video series that you want to watch. And after that, as you can see, there is an option called speed. Click on it, and as you can see here, you can make the video faster or more slow by just sliding. For example, I can make it more slow by choosing 0.75, and like that you will change the play speed of any video that you want on Netflix. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next